So today I am removing stickers from the dealer. They were great, but gotta go. And after that, we will be removing the charger. We'll be taking the Dodge. The product I got to take this off is turtle wax, label and sticker. We shall see how well it works. So I sprayed the turtle wax label and sticker remover on. I let it sit for a minute, maybe a little bit longer. And now it says I should just be able to wipe it off. Well, not quite wipe it off. What do you think, Bo? Bo's here helping me today. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. He's a big fan of the new Charger. I had a Jeep prior. He liked that too, but he couldn't really look out the window. This, much better for Bo. So this would be my first video ever, really. So it's gonna, well, maybe the stuff does work after all. See, there's still some residue. I'm going to spray it again and wipe it off, hopefully. Alright, well, I have started removing the Charger emblem. To do this, I just simply use my fiance's hair dryer. Hopefully she doesn't get all pissed off. But I heated it up. And then I used dental floss to get behind the letters and just popped right off. So I'm going to continue doing that for the rest of them. Alright, hair dryer on the factory letters and they peeled right off. Actually looks kind of good in the black, but it's just sticky residue, which I'm about to apply the turtle wax remover. And hopefully it will wipe right off. Alright, it's sat there for a while and now they just are kind of peeling off pretty easily. Lettering's all off, just a little bit of remains there. I'm about to wipe that down. I'm going to spray it one more time. Then we should be good. Alright. Charger emblem is gone. Next, it's going to be removing this Dodge on the back. Never seen one actually in person that had it removed. But I've seen some on other channels and it looks just so sharp. So I'm going to do the same process, heat it up with the hairdryer and pull them off. Alright, I have started removing the letters. In fact, I've only got one left. I heated with the hairdryer, tried dental floss, it just broke. Double wrapped it, broke again. So I just decided needle nose pliers. and grabbed them, popped them right off. Alright, no more Dodge symbol on the back. It looks extremely clean. You can kind of see a little residue still on there. So I'm gonna hit it again with the spray, wipe it down real good. I sprayed the RT. It's been sitting for a few minutes. Alright. Got it on. Looks decent.